It wasn't just a camp. I felt like it was more like a space where everyone belonged.
I'm Lou, co-founder at CircuitStream, and I believe for high schoolers to thrive in the world of tomorrow, they need more than traditional education and theory. They need enriching academic experiences, and that's exactly why we built our summer pre-university programs at CircuitStream. I deeply care about empowering youth through both technology and education, because I've experienced firsthand the impact that this can have. For nearly 10 years, we've taught thousands of students and teenagers, partnered with 10 prestigious universities across the continent, and earned the trust of countless families summer after summer. Your teen's not just going to be gaining tech skills, they're going to be gaining confidence and independence that they need to succeed in a post-secondary environment and beyond. They'll form meaningful friendships, gain leadership abilities, build problem-solving skills, and leave ready to impress future universities and even employers. This summer, your teen will gain a meaningful pre-university academic experience in various STEM and coding subjects that we offer at prestigious university campuses across the country. If this sounds like something your child needs, enrollments both online and on campus are going quickly. But don't just take it from me, hear what some of our past parents are saying.
This course went into detail of the coding and Python learning, which has enhanced her skills and has made her more confident in these technologies. The CircuitStream course actually laid a very good foundation and gave us a good path to run on. So I'm very, very pleased we had a chance to work with CircuitStream and do this course.
I had a very lovely experience during this camp. I feel like the mentors were great people. They took a lot of time out of their days to really teach us well. I had the opportunity to make a lot of new friends, and I think overall it greatly expanded my skills and gave me the opportunity to develop them in other fields.
The thing about this program is it wasn't competitive. It felt more like a team, and that team, that kind of community, made it easier to ask questions and also just grow in general.
I would tell other parents that this is going to be worthy use of their child's time. It was also a bit of a maturing exercise, I thought, for him, because, when he did encounter some challenges in mastering some of those skills, he had to approach the instructor and kind of work through what he didn't understand. And it was very rewarding when he was able to overcome those challenges, and by the end of it had not just a certificate, but a mobile app.
I would strongly suggest the CircuitStream course because it really helped me build confidence on not only my skills, but allowed me to use these skills as ways to transfer them onto my schoolwork. You get a real impactful project which could be used in the real world, and it really gives you a glimpse into the field, and you can really decide if you're passionate about it. It really gives you a gist of how, working with the AI and ML feels.
I feel like the teaching method of the instructor was really engaging. I really wanted more. He taught us lots of things in each day, but he would always tell us, tomorrow we're going to be doing this project, and I feel like that really excited me for the next day, and I've always wanted to come back and learn another new thing.
The result of the summer program is that your teen will earn a certificate of completion from the university and from CircuitStream. Not to mention, they'll be challenged in a learning environment and discovering new ways to think and solve problems. This summer, give your teen a head start on university life while helping them make new friendships and memories that could last a lifetime. Don't miss your chance to secure your child's future today.